Hey RoseBudz, welcome back to my channel. And today we have, so excited, and I'm hungry, you guys. Long day at work, okay? But I thought that today was gonna be a bad day, and I had to tell myself multiple times it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. You're gonna get, your stuff straight. Like, don't worry about it. And I come home and my mama pulled through, and then I made me some young noodles, which is this one. This is the hot chicken flavor ramen, so 1-time spicy noodle. Yeah, y'all see that? I'm gonna put that there. This is the one that I made. And then we move the scissor. We about to get our hands dirty, okay? We got some crab and lobster. So you see the lobster claw. This is lobster right here. This is crab. Ooh, you see that goodness? So actually, I got a nutcracker. Hopefully it works, because I couldn't find the actual like crab cracker. And then I got a scissor, and I got me some nacho cheese so I could dip it in. But first, also, I got the coldest water bottle. So the link to my customer site to get this is in the description down below. I believe I will be also putting the link for the giveaway. You can enter for the giveaway, okay? Get a chance of winning, but definitely fill up the information that is needed, and then you never know, you might win, right? And okay, so I am a wellness coach. Well, I don't know, there's new people here, but I am a wellness coach, Herbalife wellness coach, who do mukbangs. And so I'm actually gonna share one of the drinks that I love to drink every single day. Like, honestly, besides this pimple here, okay, I guess this, I'm gonna call this a stress pimple, but this drink is very good for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I do have a success story for that. If you want to go follow me on Instagram, you guys can definitely see it there. I post a lot of my results there, okay? And I'm very active there too. You can also follow me on Twitter. The names will be in the description box down below. What else? Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here, please go and subscribe. Welcome. And then for those who have been here, thank you for being a day one. Oh, shout out to my girl Alicia. I spoke to her, like a couple of times, right? And I just appreciate everything that she's been telling me. I've been asking her for some feedback, and she's been giving me really good feedback, and we're gonna work towards those, to better my channel. And I just can't wait. I'm super excited about that. But yeah, shout out to you, girl. And let's get to eating. If I missed anything out, comment down below. What did I miss out? Okay, so where are we gonna start? Where should we start? Should we start with the noodles? I'm gonna start with the noodles. And I never had it like this, where I boiled the noodles, right? And then I removed it from the water. And then I added the sauce, and then I topped it with the little topping, which is the sesame seeds and the seaweed. I have a feeling it might be hotter than when I would just leave it in the water. People tell me that when you actually leave the water and let it cook in the water, so it'll be a little watery. As you can see, it's not watery at all. It's much hotter that way, but I feel like this is hotter. Let's see. And I got some nachos cheese on this, so it's alright. It's alright. See, it's a little dry. You can see that. It is spicier. Y'all liars. But I love spice. Y'all lied to me. Okay. I'm gonna make this drink. I don't wanna drop nothing. Do you see my fan next to me? I moved further up a little bit. Yeah, I don't know what my room looks like, but I moved the table from over there to here because my papa is finally working on this side of the wall. This wall right behind me. Not the door. Obviously, you can see the door is a different color than that. So basically, I want my room to be that color all around, so that I can this is spicy. So that I can decorate it, you know, with my own decorations, like the shelves. I got glass shelves that I want to put up. I have my, you know, this is my parents' home, and I moved back in, so I want to hook it up with everything that I own, right? I'm not a hoarder, right? It's just like, whatchamacallit, like my trophies. Like I didn't have a space for it before, but we're gonna put this water in here. Sorry you guys can't see this water going, but this bottle's too heavy because it's filled up all the way. I'm gonna give you guys some insight on this drink, okay? But first, got that ice cold water. The product that I'm going to introduce you guys today, can you see that? Is the Herbalife Skin Collagen Beauty Booster Strawberry Lemonade flavor. It is delicious, you guys. I drink this every single day. Every single day. Like, there ain't no day that I'm not drinking this. Whether it's alone or with my tea, I make a mix. Obviously, if you're interested, you hit me up and then we'll go from there. But all you need is 1 scoop. Let me give you the description. Collagen Beauty Booster nourishes the skin from within and provides the nutrients to maintain youth and radiant skin. It is formulated with versatile collagen, which has been tested to show support of skin elasticity and the reduction of fine wrinkles. It is also formulated with vitamins A as beta carotene, C and E. Vitamin C and E help prevent free radical cell damage that ages your skin. This formula supports strong nails and healthy hair with selenium, zinc, and biotin. Mix with water or add to your shake, tea, or aloe. So, like, honestly, this is my hint or like little tip. So anybody that do Herbalife, you're welcome. Because I would love to coach you. But there's so many people that aren't doing Herbalife yet. And, you know, of course, I'm here to let you guys in, right? So, the shake, it is best tasting with the vanilla PDM with the cookies and cream shake. You blend that. Oh, so good. And then, of course, what I drink it with is the raspberry tea concentrate with the regular aloe and this. So I'm gonna actually do it. Like, take a scoop. Got this. And we're gonna add that. I know it's not a full scoop, but it's okay. I have had these type of results. My hair, first of all, I dyed my hair. Boob itch, sorry. I dyed my hair back in April of last year, and my I can't see, but see all this blonde poofiness, but like the black, well, my natural hair color now with all the grays and stuff. I don't think you guys can see it through the video, but it's like all the way down, and then this is so much hair. And before that, I had actually grew my natural hair for about a year, and I was trying to remove all of the dead ends and the dyed black hair that I did for years, many years, that I couldn't even, when you bleach that part that was at the end, it would just stay black. It wouldn't even turn. So I kept on cutting and allowing the natural hair color with the grays, and it reached all the way down to my butt, and I just trimmed throughout time, and then I decided to do the blonde hair, and like I said, my hair grew out so long within the year. So now, last year of April, so it's been more than a year that I've had this blonde hair in my hair, but now, as you can see, I've been, growing it naturally. So, and I've been cutting it every so often so that I can slowly remove the blonde hair. So yeah, where's the cover to this? Oh, okay. And then what you do is you close that. Oh shit, oops, sorry my language. I know you guys want to see me eat, but I'm really thirsty because that's spicy. And it'll look like that. That's tea stain. It's so good. So freaking good, you guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm eating more noodle. Yep. Just stay my lip. All right. Let's get eating. Lobster. Honestly, I don't know how to cut this. Oh, I do. I'm so excited to do this seafood mukbang because honestly, it's been trending and I just don't know where to get lobster or crabs like this. My mom knows. I know where to get shrimp, which I think I'm gonna get shrimp. With the cheese sauce. Look at the thick piece of meat. Yes, with the egg. I'm gonna eat. So good. Guys, I know you never seen me this excited. I came home. I seen a big crab leg on my mom's plate. I'm like, what are you eating? It's like crab and lobster. I'm like, what? It's like, yeah, yours is in the kitchen. When are you ready to eat? I'm ready to eat now. I just did a whole... I've been up since 4 a.m. Y'all know. And the last time I ate was 11:30. Yeah, 11:30. Y'all girl is starving. Hungry. Very hungry. Can't say starving. Because there are really starving people out there. Oh, we're gonna put that there. And then I said, I'm gonna make a video. My mom's like, no, don't make a video. I'm like, excuse me? Excuse me? I want this channel to grow. I don't know what you're talking about. She's like, your sisters might watch it and get jealous. First of all, you know how they say that strangers, you'll get more strangers supporting you? Yeah. Well, I have like 44 subscribers, but one of my sisters are subscribed to me, and then I don't really, and her man, and then I don't know who else everyone else is, but if y'all comment down below saying that y'all are subscribed to me, I would know, and I would give you a shout out, definitely. Especially if you're trying to grow a challenge, just like a channel just like me. Okay, I don't know if we're doing this right, but we're gonna just do it because we're freaking hungry. Excuse me. But yeah, like, I'm not worried. She might not even watch it, but then again, if she does watch it, oh well. There were so many times. Look, I'm gonna put this out there, and I'm putting them on blast, okay? And they know it's the truth. Any of my sisters who were watching this, y'all know I work 40-hour job, and before it was worse because I would work like, I mean, not worse. I love that schedule, 8 to 5. But the thing is that it's still late. You know what I mean? Everyone is going home from hanging out at 5. So I couldn't attend any like weekday get-togethers because I was at work. And y'all would eat all kinds of things. You know, Vietnamese sandwiches. I think crab at one time. Chinese food. Oh, I remember one time. Yeah, I'm putting y'all on blast. I knew that they was gonna eat some crispy pork. What's it called? Pata, right? And duck. And I said, "Can y'all save me some?" I asked the day before, and you know it really hurt my feelings. But I'm putting on blast. Like I said, I said the day before, and the nerve. They want to go and be like, "Oh, I'm gonna eat it the next day or whatever." I mean, you can always get more, but then again, I can always buy my own. But then again, you can get your own lobster and crab, right? I'm just saying. Don't be calling mommy. I'm like, "Oh, why didn't you save me some?" Babe, please. Be quiet. Be quiet. Let me relax. By the way, tomorrow is me and hubby's anniversary. 1 year we've been dating each other. It's crazy. I mean, it's believable. Because, first of all, I known this dude. He's my guy. I've known him, well, including this year, it will be 7 years knowing each other. You know, being friends. I mean, he's still my best friend. Even though we're dating. But, yeah, like 7 years and 1 year we've been dating. Honestly, like, he is my best friend. He is amazing. He has a lot of patience for me, for my crazy behind, because I give him... Why isn't this cutting? I'm not giving up on you. I'm not leaving no pieces. Y'all see that meat inside? It's coming out. But you know, us women, if you guys follow like the astrology, us Aries women at that, you know, sometimes we go through things. And he knows how difficult it is, like, with me and my job, like several things that's been going on that I've been trying to figure out, which, like I said, today it's been a good day. I figured out a few things, and hopefully I'll start to see some change, some better change, some more better changes. I'm not gonna say like his job isn't that horrible. But to be able to talk to someone every single day, someone that can be your median, not necessarily to tell you that you're wrong or right, but to tell you his views and, you know, what he thinks that you should do to make the right choice or whatever. My support system, even though he ain't ready to watch, you know, to record these videos, but hopefully soon he will. Oh, just in case this video gets cut off, because last time I did a video, I didn't even get to say goodbye to you guys. It transferred over to another video, and I am recording from my phone, which I don't have an editing system going on right now. I'm strictly uploading as is. So if the video decides to make 2 videos out of it, of course I'm gonna continue to eat, but you guys won't see that other half because it's gonna be erased. The first part is gonna definitely be uploaded. And it was funny because it stopped at 33 minutes and 10 seconds. Like, it's so weird. I don't know why I did that. Maybe, because someone had called me. Maybe it could be that. But if it does, I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys now. And I hope you enjoy my video. If not, you're gonna still see me eat. We're gonna keep talking. My boyfriend actually fixed my one and only laptop, which is pretty old, but he put a music app in there so that I can edit my music so that I could put it on my iPod. So I definitely can't wait to start using it. These crabs. I wish you guys can see this. I hope this turns out to be like a long video. You guys, all you seafood lovers, can watch the entire thing. I hope. These are tentacles. I'm gonna put that to the side. You don't eat those, but you can like chew on it to remove the salt water off of it. But it looks like it's just nothing there. You guys see the circle under my eyes? It's Thursday, y'all. One more day of that week. That work week. We getting through it. We getting there. And I'm actually off on Monday for Labor Day. But that's going to be my chill day. I'm sleeping in. I'm sleeping in, but at the same time I'm gonna be working. I'm gonna be, following up with my clients. Oh, I think I told you guys I started couponing, so I'm gonna do that. That noodle's spicy. yet to do a 2-time spicy noodle with my brother-in-law. Hear it? You hear me? When we doing this video? If we still here, I'm gonna ask you guys, whoever's watching, don't forget to smash the like button. Come on, you guys. Let's get to 15 likes for this video. Probably reaching, but can we do 15? Spicy. And this is so good. Oh my god. No, I'm not good. And it's cold because of the fan right now. You know what I've been seeing online? Oh my god. In the other videos. Excuse me. The sauce for this. Just the sauce.